If you ever need to change the page size in Microsoft Word, whether you're switching to A4, letter, legal, or another custom layout, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. This is one of those simple word formatting tasks that can save you a lot of time, especially if you're preparing a document for printing, school, work, or a client who needs a specific paper size. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Once your file is open, look at the top ribbon and click on the Layout tab. This tab contains all of the page setup tools including margins, orientation, breaks, and of course, page size. After you click Layout, find the Size button. It's usually near the margin and orientation options, and once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several paper size choices. Here, you'll see common options like letter, A4, legal, executive, and more, depending on your version of Word and your printer settings. Now simply select the page size you want from the list. For example, if you need a standard document for many regions outside the United States, A4 is often the correct choice. If you're using a typical US document setup, letter is usually the default. As soon as you click your chosen size, Word will automatically update the page layout for the document. If the formatting shifts a little after changing the size, that's completely normal, especially if your text, images, or tables were originally designed for a different paper format. In that case, you may need to quickly review your margins, spacing, or page breaks to make sure everything still looks clean and professional. If you want to keep the document consistent, it's a good idea to scroll through a few pages and confirm that headings, paragraphs, and visuals still fit properly on the new page size. And if you're printing the document, double-check the print preview to make sure the paper size in Word matches the paper size in your printer settings. That small step can prevent scaling issues, cut off text, or wasted pages. If you ever need a different format again, just go back to Layout, click Size, and choose another option. It really is that simple. So to recap, changing page size in Microsoft Word only takes a moment. Go to Layout, click Size, and select the paper size you need. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Microsoft Word tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.